Hi, Anne-Marie, Frank. Nice to meet you. Please introduce yourselves.
I am Anne-Marie van het Erve. I'm from the Netherlands, and together with my colleague Frank, I have a small business in risk and crisis communications.
Okay, so my name is Frank Vergeer. I'm also from the Netherlands. I'm a colleague of Anne-Marie, and we're doing this workshop together.
Okay, great. And what will your workshop be about? What can we expect from your workshop?
Well, what we have seen the last couple of years is that the role of communication advisor in crisis times is somewhat slippery. So we're especially going to talk about the ethics in our business.
So what we want to discuss is the role of the communication advisor during crisis situation, and then specific when you look at ethical questions which can occur during a crisis. We see the struggle of those advisors in a crisis management team, and it's quite hard to deal with those kind of questions. And what we want to do is to discuss this with the participants to make it clear what your role is and your added value in these kind of questions during a crisis.
Okay, great. And what will be the main points that the participants will take away, our SIP members will take away from your talk?
Well, I think that in crisis situations, advisors should be more concerned about those people affected by the crisis, and not about the reputation of the company or of the government. And that is and we have numerous examples like the Facebook crisis right now, or the Volkswagen crisis. There are many crises in which the advice has been to care about the reputation and not about the infected people.
Yeah. Hey, interesting. I really think it will be a great workshop. And what will they miss if they not hear you speak in Madrid?
First of all, they will miss a very vivid discussion. That's what we expect. But what our purpose is that the advisors, the people who participate in our workshop, they will have a more focus on their specific role during difficult situation, difficult decision-making subjects, and ethical questions which will occur. They will make them think about their specific role much sharper. That's what we expect.
Okay, great. We look forward to meeting you in Madrid, and maybe I will be in your workshop as well. Great.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Join us, please. You're very much welcome.